with Miss Jenny. We're on our camping adventure. Check out the scenery. Beautiful spot. We'll get set up. Show you some footage along the way. I'm here too. Just crossed this lake. Now we're coming into this bay here. We're gonna head to that lake over there, and then one more. Just came into this other lake. This is lake number 3, I think. The last one we'll hit is called Green Lake. Wait till you see that. Look how clear that water is. Look at that. Clear as could be. See the logs. Look at this. Beautiful. That was a narrow one and shallow. We had to paddle through, but look at this. Wait till you see this lake. Hi, Jenny. It's called Green Lake. You'll see it. High rocks, deep bottom, 300-400 feet deep. It's a journey to get here, but it's well worth it. You'll see. Guys, we made it to this beautiful lake here. Just show you there's Jenny in the background. Got that tent all set up. I'll give you a little look. Got our boat down at the water's edge. It's all rock here. Got juicy. We got a fire pit over there. Big rock here. Got our tarp set up. Got our stove there, barbecue there. This is our assorted stuff. Beautiful lake, guys. Beautiful lake. Everything else, we're not all set up 100%, but we gotta go get some wood. But have a look at this lake. I think it's like 300 feet deep or something. 350, I think I measured on the fish finder before, but it's all rock. Like, see this? Look at that. Look how clear it is. Like, look at that. So clear. You can see fish swim up here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lake. It's quite the chore to get here, I'll tell you. Might have hit the motor a couple times, but it's all good. Big Juicy, waiting for something to do. And the lake goes on, like it goes in the bay over there and then goes around. Comes over here on the left over here. This is just one. There's like 5 other lakes that keep going that way, that way, that way, that way. Look at that, boys. This is camping right here. Go do a little fishing. All right, guys, just chilling out camping here. I'll show you what we got for supper tonight. Cooking some nice burgers over the fire. Can't go wrong. We had a bit of rain there a little while ago, but we survived. Got the dog here. We're all tarped up from the rain. And we got Jenny. We were making well use for our little solar panel here. Like hardly no sun coming through the trees, but anyways, just enough. I'm getting a little bit of, got this little blue eddy here. Only 11 watts. When the sun comes around on this side here, we'll get 70, 80 watts.